my elephant. He must have ran away. He isn't on the sofa where he promised he would stay. I've looked around the living room, the kitchen, and the hall. My elephant is missing, and I'm not sure who to call. He isn't in the attic, or the basement, or the yard. You'd think to find an elephant would not be quite so hard. Perhaps I'll make a poster, and I'll offer a reward. I'd make it more, but 50 cents is all I can afford. If you should see my elephant, he answers to Jerome! Please tell him that I miss him.
And I wish he'd come back home.
Wait! I think I see him. Wait! I think he's near. My Jerome, he's come back to me. Oh, how I want him near. My elephant thinks I'm wonderful. My elephant thinks I'm cool. My elephant hangs around with me and follows me to school. My elephant thinks I'm brave and bold. He's proud of my strength and guts. But mostly he likes the way I smell. My elephant thinks I'm nuts.